Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove all the documents cache in the Google Docs mobile. So here I've already opened the Google Docs mobile app on my phone. And if you want to clear the cache, what you need to do is just click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner, this one, and go to the settings menu. Here, just scroll down until you find the documents cache section, and there will be option to clear the cache. You can remove all cache documents in here. Click on this, and Google Docs will ask you again if you want to clear the cache. So just click on OK, and after that the cache will be automatically deleted. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.